Hi students, welcome you all again for this session. In this session, you are going to learn PHP conditional statements. First of all, before going to enter into the subject, you must know what is conditional statements. Conditional statements are very useful to write decision making logics, and it is one of the most important feature of in any programming language, and it may be implemented by following this type. One is simple if statement, next one is if and else, the third one is if else statement, and the last one is switch statement. And already you have learned these topics in your 11th standard. Whatever the programming language it is, that is not a problem. The concept is same. What are the concepts? What for a simple if and else if else, and switch. The concept is same for each and every programming language, but the coding structure is different. Coding structure, the syntax is going to be different for each and every programming language. So first of all, what is simple if statement? So the simple if statement executes a set of statements or a group of statements if a specific condition is satisfied as per the user expectation. Based on the given condition within if statement, if the condition is true, the block of the if statement will be executes. If the condition is false, nothing will be execute for this statement, which means simple if statement. The next one is if else statement. If else statement is going to be execute a statement or a group of statements if a specific condition is satisfied by the user expectation. If the given condition is true, what we have given within if statement, if that particular condition is true, a particular block is going to be executed. If the given condition is false, what we have given within the if statement, if block, then the else block would be executed. That is what if else in PHP. So next one is if else, and it is also going to be execute statement is a combination of if else statement. It is going to be execute the combination statements of if and else. More than one statement can be execute the condition based on user needs. With the help of the if else statement, we can execute more than one statement. We can execute more than one statement as per the user needs. That is what called if else statement in PHP. And next one is switch. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Based on your uh, input, you can get your output. So for these four statements, I'm going to give examples with small programs. So keenly watch those programs and work out the programs if you have a laptop in your home. And first of all, I'll give an example for simple if statement. See here, this is simple if statement. This is what my variable is a, and 17 is my variable's value. If a is greater than or equal to 17, if my value of a is equal to 17 or greater than 17, see, the server have to print you are eligible to vote. Now it has to be print you are eligible to vote. See here, simple if PHP. Now I'm going to execute, you are eligible to vote. So next one is if and else. My value is 17. In if condition, I have given if a is greater than or equal to 18. If the value of a is greater than or equal to 18, it has to be print you are eligible to vote. If my value is less than 17, if my value is less than 17, you are not eligible to vote. Let me execute this program also. If else, here I have to give if else, yes, again you are eligible to vote. Now let me change my condition. See here I'm going to give 16. After changing the value, you have to save the program again. So now I'm going to execute. Less than or equal to 17. Now I have changed, and here I have to give refresh. You are not eligible to vote because my condition is less than or equal to 16. So next one is if, else if, p and else. See here I have created three variables. The first variable name is student mark, the second variable is pass mark. Depends upon the student mark, what is her or his promotion. What about her or his promotion? That is what we are going to see here. Pass mark is 35, already you know very well, and first class is above 60, 60 or above 60, and that is also very familiar to you all. So if student mark is greater than or equal to first class, the student is eligible for promotion with the first class. Else if the given condition is false here, it would be execute here. Else if student mark greater than or equal to pass mark, the student is just eligible for promotion. If this given condition is also false, and what about what we have given within else statement, that would be execute. That is what we are going to see here. So see here, I am going to execute this one. If, else if, and you have to see the program name. If, else if. Okay, correct. So execute here. You are not eligible for the promotion because within the condition everything is okay, but what I have given here, student mark is 34. Here if I have changed the value from 34 to 35, after changing the value, you have to save your program. Now just you, yes, eligible for promotion. Again I will change value above 60, above 60, so sorry, 61 or 60, whatever it is, you can get this one as your result for your program. So again save your program. And next one, go to the browser, press F5. Yes, eligible for promotion with the first class because the student mark I have changed above 60. I have changed from 35 to 61. This is what if, else if, and else. Next one is we are going to see switch. So switch, it is nothing but based on your this favorite color value, you can get any one of these statements as your result. That is what going to happen while working with the switch statement. See here, switch favorite color is equal to red. Here I have given my favorite color is red, and that would be passed over from here to here. So what expression I have given within the favor color, my variable name is fav color, so I have given red is my value, and after passing over the red from favor color equal to red to switch expression, based on that case red would be execute or case blue would be execute or default would be execute. If my, because of giving my value here red, I can get this one as my result. Suppose if I have given here as blue, I can get this one. So I'm not giving neither red or blue, I can get this one as my result. Okay, that is what going to be happen while working with the switch statement. Now I'm going to execute this one. Here switch, switch, execute this one. Your favorite color is red. So next one I'm going to give, change my value, see here, BLUE, blue. Save your program and go and execute your program. Your favorite color is blue. And next one, again change your value. Here I'm going to give white. Save. F5. Your favorite color is neither red nor blue, because here I have given white as my favorite color, but here there is no white case statement. Because of that, what is the default statement that would be execute here? This is what PHP conditional statements, and I hope you all understand this concept easily. And if you have any doubt, we can have a session. If you have any doubts, ask me through WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp number, and we can I can solve your doubts. Thank you.